Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am revealing the full transformation of my daughter's apartment kitchen using affordable DIYs and peel and stick products. What started as a basic kitchen was completely upgraded with marble peel and stick countertops, only $7 a roll, and I used 2. A custom backsplash with gold foil tape and rhinestones, appliance makeovers using contact paper and paint, a DIY stovetop cover plus a spice shelf for added function, budget decor like a thrifted canvas, and a repurposed license plate frame. This makeover proves you don't need a big budget to create a high-end look. If you missed the previous steps in this makeover, make sure to check them out so you can recreate this transformation yourself. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part of the makeover? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family for more budget-friendly DIY transformation. But first, let's see what this kitchen looked like before the transformation. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. So here's a look of my daughter's kitchen from the time we moved her in. This is a clip from back of October of 2025. A very functional kitchen. Very small, but very nice as well. It's just her and her daughter. The countertop I discovered was actually a sprayed on granite. But I was glad that she didn't mind me covering it up. And also, you will see the backsplash over the stove and the cabinet over there. It's just a wall. And I wanted to take that up. I was going to order some peel and stick backsplash, but I thought, no, let me try using the contact paper because I wanted to keep this affordable. And I did do it under $150. Very inexpensive, but also a very good look. And when it's time to remove it, all she needs is a blow dryer to just heat up the underside of the contact paper to make the adhesion soft so it's easy to pull off. The same thing with the gold strip tape, just pulling it off, and then the refrigerator handles, just spray painting them back black. Now what you'll see coming up are just photo clips first of the kitchen made over, and then following that would be a video tour of the kitchen. Now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing if you like what you see here today. I would love to read your comments. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And for my faithful viewers and subscribers, I thank you so much for your faithful viewing support. I will let you now watch the rest of the video to music. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by.
Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.